Hi, my name is Ellie and today I'm going to be going through my top 5 Ooni Koda 16 tips. Let's do it. My first tip is the flame size. This oven has a fantastic L-shaped burner, and so you can use that to your advantage because you can control the size of the flame to suit your cook. So for example, if you want a super fast cook, put the oven onto full flame on the dial. It will mean that it'll cook your pizza super fast and you won't need to rotate it often. In fact, because it's covering 2 sides of your pizza, you should be able to just rotate it 2 or 3 times before you cover the whole crust area with it on full flame. But the great thing about this oven is that you can also cook on a lower flame, and you've got plenty of room to do that. The easy to use gas style flame and the L-shaped burner gives you the opportunity to cook this pizza in 60 seconds with very little rotating, and it's super easy to manipulate the flame by just a flick of the dial. You're ready to go and cook that pizza. You can put the flame on low and cook a crusty, slow cooked pizza, or you can ramp it up to full flame and cook a 60-second pizza. Entirely up to you, and that's my first tip. Second tip, you can cook other dishes in this oven because it's so big. There's plenty of room in there to put a nice big cast iron pan to cook chicken, vegetables, whatever, kebabs. It can be cooked in here. It's got a nice height. It's not super high, but it's high enough for your pan to go in. Because it's got such a wide flame area, this gives you the opportunity to cook your food very quickly. The oven is also lovely and bright, and you can see exactly what's going on in there. The stone is large enough for you to maneuver it away from the flame to the right hand side should your dish get too hot. My third tip, if you are new to pizza cooking or new to this oven, you've got the opportunity to cook further away on the left side away from the flames at the front. So you might not want to go to the right because that's going to be the colder part of the stone due to the L-shaped burner. That will enable you to just focus on that left flame to monitor that and rotate your pizza. Because the L-shaped burner's flame comes right up to the front of the oven, that stone there will be nice and hot compared to the right side of the stone. That left place is a good place, and when you get more experienced, move the pizza further back into that L-shaped corner area, which will give you a super fast cook and you won't need to rotate it as much. Cooking on the left side to the front may be something that you might want to do as you get used to this oven. My fourth tip is the only thing with this oven, and like I think nearly all of the other pizza stones that are removable in the Ooni range, is that this one's shape doesn't allow you to turn it into the oven because it's a one-sided turn due to the shape of the stone. So I would recommend turning it over once your oven's cooled down, ready for the next time that you use the oven. I've got a bit of a stinky stone and the debris seems to accumulate at the front area. So this is just normal cooking and you do get some yucky stuff just come off over time. I don't really have any accidents anymore, but some things do get stuck on there and I'm finding it difficult to get this off. So I just keep cooking and turning it over, cook and turn over, and eventually it does come off, and I have quite a lot on the other side as well. What I intend to do is place this stone inside my large wood-fired oven. I'm going to put it in there and that will burn off all the debris from my stone. I'm lucky enough to have a big oven to do that, but as you can see I haven't done it yet, and I will put a video up on that. And this is just from normal cooking. I haven't had any big accidents or anything like that. If you don't have a big wood-fired oven, or gas oven, you could try burning it off in your electric oven on high heat. That could be an option. If you're carrying this oven around, I would recommend taking the stone out before you carry it. And if you do keep this oven outside and you've got a cold climate like mine, I've also got a humid climate, I would recommend that you store the stone inside. The worst thing I could do is store my stone outside. It needs to be inside somewhere warm and dry, otherwise it will take a lot longer to heat up. You'll be there for a while. Yeah, that's also my best advice on that. And my fifth and final tip is the stone temperature for cooking pizza. It's really important that that temperature is perfect for your cook. It's because if the stone isn't the right temperature, it will either burn or undercook whilst your crusts cook and your toppings cook. So you'll have a pizza that's not properly cooked. So you need to make sure your crust and your toppings and your base all cook at the same time. And to do that, the stone needs to be between 430 degrees centigrade and 450 degrees centigrade in the center where you place your pizza. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed going through my top tips for using the Ooni Koda 16. I love this pizza oven. It's super to cook with, nice, light and bright, and you can cook a super fast pizza in there on full flame too. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.